Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale membership sites with Patreon, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your membership site using Patreon, start by understanding your niche. Identify the specific audience you want to target. Research what content resonates with that audience. Create compelling offerings that meet the needs of your target market. Design tiered membership levels on Patreon to cater to different budgets. Ensure each tier provides clear value and benefits to your members. Utilize engaging content like exclusive videos, podcasts, or articles. Set a regular schedule for releasing content to keep members engaged. Promote your Patreon page across all your platforms, including social media and your website. Leverage email marketing to inform your existing audience about your Patreon offerings. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your reach. Encourage your current members to advocate for your Patreon through word of mouth. Provide special promotions or limited time offers to attract new members. Regularly gather feedback from your members to improve your offerings. Stay consistent with your content creation to build trust and credibility. Monitor your growth metrics to understand which strategies are most effective. Adjust your approach based on what resonates with your audience. Invest time in community building, engaging with members through comments and messages. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions to foster interaction and connection. Maintain transparency about how the funds are used to grow the community. Utilize Patreon's analytics tools to track member retention and engagement rates. Regularly update your offerings to keep your content fresh and exciting. Showcase success stories from your members to attract new subscriptions. As your membership base grows, consider hiring additional help to manage content and engagement. Evaluate the potential for exclusive merchandise or events to increase revenue streams. Stay adaptable and open to new ideas as the landscape of membership websites evolves. With dedication and strategic planning, you can successfully scale your membership site through Patreon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.